Here's the BioLite headlamp 200. Got it in red. Slim fit. If you've ever been on a film production, on a low budget film production, or any film production, and you're shooting at night, you'll be surprised how handy a flashlight comes in, a headlamp, how handy a headlamp comes into play, how necessary it is when your hands are busy moving gear and you got to see things at night. Usually this is when you're wrapping up for the day. So I've had different headlamps over the years, and now and up until this point they've all been battery. They're usually AAA, but this one is charged internally, USB charged. And I got that because a lot of the times my headlamps are sitting around, and even though batteries seem more convenient to swap out, if you don't change them, it starts to rust, and then all of the alkaline or whatever, the chemical, it messes up all the wires. I've had a couple headlamps in the past that happened, and I had to toss the whole headlamp away because I couldn't clean it. But this one is an internal battery. When the brightness is on low, it's 40 hours. And then when it's on high, it's 3 hours. And it goes to a distance of 50 meters. See, and it has a 700 milliamp lithium ion battery. Okay, everything is controlled with this one button, and it cycles through all these modes. You hold it down for 8 seconds to lock it, and then when you want to unlock it, you hold down for another 8 seconds. When it's locked and you hit the button, the light goes on and nothing stays on, or nothing just goes on at all. So let me hit it once and it should have the red light. Okay, so this is the red light. To control the brightness, you just hold down on the button, on the main button, and then it controls how bright this red light is. So holding it down. So it's dim now, it's really dim. And then if I keep holding it, it's gonna get brighter. And that's max brightness. Let me dim it. Okay, that's just the dimmest it gets. Now I'm gonna push the button twice. That's gonna enable the white light. Okay, white light is on now. Now it's bright. If I hold this one down, holding it down, it's gonna dim. Now this is the dimmest, so this is the lowest watts, so it's 5 lumens as opposed to 200. And let me hold it down and go to 200. Yeah, wow, that is bright. 200 lumens is bright. Hold it down again. Dim it all the way. So now it's the red blinking, and then the next mode is the white blinking. Turn that off. And now it's the white strobe. Hit it again, and then to turn it off, hold this down for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be a light indicator telling me it's off. There we go. Now it's off. Those lights means it's off. When it's green, that means the battery's good. When it goes to red, that means the battery is draining. Other things about this, it's not waterproof. You can't dunk it in the ocean, but it's water resistant, so if it rains, it shouldn't be a problem. You just can't submerge this underwater or put this in a washing machine. Yeah, so far, I'm gonna have to get used to the button adjustments, but this is what I've been looking for. It's very small. I like how compact it is. So right now, this seems like a good buy. Again, on the low, it's going to be 40 hours of runtime and 3 hours on brightness, max brightness.